Well done, mate. You can get fucked, mate. Fuck off. I ain't fucking stopping. Fucking idiot.
Fuck that guy.
116.
Oh, red light.
He's at 140. So, what one?
The cavoodle.
It's not that one she got scammed out
The
of.
boy. No, she wanted to call it Precious. Wow.
Ew.
That is a red light.
That's what.
Yeah.
That's what.
I know.
One minute later.
Right? So nothing's left out, right?
Left out right.
Red light speed camera ahead. The speed limit is 60 kilometers.
¿Y? Es que hijo de puta tan animal, hola.
Event emergency recording.
Es que hijo de puta tan bola. Ah. Le pasa a este.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the
You're a yob or you're a wanker, take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite genius, James Hurd or James Joyce? You ever seen a live performance? Join the wanker
Cray cray.
Yeah. Watch this way.
No, I did that to
Just
try and help
don't
him.
run into him.
I'm not going to run into him.
Gosh.
I thought he wanted to go into the left lane, and that's why I went out to the right lane. That's the thanks you get.
Who from?
Will admit you have a strong possibility for being a fantasy novel writer in the future. If you would let the or whoever, 911 or whatever, I'll still be like right around here. Okay. Yeah, just let them know what I look like, and I'll be waiting for them. Did you just ask me for ID? We haven't had people take pictures before on our property like this. Did I hear you right? Did you ask for ID? No. Oh, did you go to the worst apologies school ever academy? That's not how we apologize as adults.
Target, maximum.
July 2nd, 2026, and I'm in the city of Meade. Here it's going.
You go to go around him and he suddenly speeds up. Where are you going now? Like, you think you're going to fit in front of him? Look at this fucking wingnut. This guy's great. So let me get this straight. You're driving slow. Someone goes around you on the left, so you get butthurt and speed in the tunnel with a camera and then cut someone off. Wow.
A few moments later.
Doing the same thing, just this guy just really loves to sit in the right lane. Will not get out of it. Oh, what do we got? Lights and shit on his license plate. I can read the son of a bitch. Tinted as fuck, can't even see what he looks like. I think we'll all agree he'll look like an asshole.
Good. He was fucking slow. Fuck. Oh, that was red as, bro.
Oh, pull off, you silly bastard. What did I say? Full off. What? I got it on dash cam. Oh, pull off, you silly bastard. What did I say?
Definitely need to go vinegar because that definitely made a difference when I didn't use it last time because it was a bit tough. Could have stopped then, fucking.
That sucks shit!
Got two of them.
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111
spider venom saving heart attack patients. Got a chance. Las Vegas fans.
Oh, whoa, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm doing what you. Don't. Brother, please. No U-turn unless you're in a...
Escape your pricey telco with a Massive. Ongoing is $40 from second renewal and 8 gigs from fourth renewal. 28-day expiry. Dates 30th July 26th. Massive uses the Optus network. See massive.com for coverage. T's and C's apply.
Bailey Ladders are giving you and 3 mates the chance to win the Ultimate 2026 Rep.
Had so many parents this afternoon tell me how hot it was on deck.
What the fuck? Fucking Yarrish. See it?
Yeah.
Scotty loves those ones, doesn't he?
I love it. I love it.
You can do an e-bike episode. Four-wheel driving much if you bought a four-wheel drive?
Yeah, I'd go. Not big tracks, because I'm not trying to be broke. Replacing
Constantly
car park.
repairing.